Circus. My name is Kane, I'm your ringmaster, and I'm here to show you the most jaw-dropping, mind-numbing, mind-bending paraphernalia you've ever laid your eyes upon. Isn't that right, Bo?
That's alright, Kane. I can't wait to see what you got cooking up in here.
Well, let's not waste any time. Let's get right into the show.